What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. What we're today is doing cooking with cars, doing steak with Lexi.
Hi. You're not even on me.
Yeah, you are, look. Oh, that was faster. Oh well, say hi. So we're doing steak, don't know what kind of steak. We gotta go get some supplies because we have no supplies to do this. So, tin foil, steak, maybe some A1 sauce. Who knows, this steak is really bad. We did steak once before, but we're gonna do it again because she wants steak and... What? I double made sure my car was unlocked before I left. I double made sure my car was unlocked before I left. Yeah. I want to make sure that the whole world can see it. I'm just kidding, I locked it. So let's see what kind of steak we got over here. Let's see if we find the cheapest steak we can find. $14. What it looks like. Okay. So far I found $7. Well, that's a little too thick. They got like this nice steak here though. It might be a little too big for the car though. Maybe these are beef chucks. $8.81. A little too thick. A little too thick. A little too thick. Well, not thick, too big. I'm going for cheap. Not. There we go. There we go. Look at that.
Those are nice.
Yes.
Fatty.
Yeah, these look better. Go to a black pepper. Garlic powder. Thank you. Alright guys, so I got the steaks here. We're gonna chop these up. We'll not chop them up. We're gonna get this nice and open. Really hard, one hand. Alright. So let me get this opened up. Let me get all these seasonings all ready and saran wrap going, and we'll show you the nice seasoning process I'm gonna do for these steaks. Gonna go with 2 pieces of tin foil, cook them separate, but together. So we'll season inside here so I don't make a mess of my car here. Oh, I don't want everything go flying around. Oh, where's the onion at? Where's the onion powder at? I mean, not the onion, the garlic powder at. I got the garlic powder. I don't know if I said onion powder before, but I meant garlic powder. I did say onion powder. It's not onion powder in the car. Lexi's inside of the car staying nice and warm. Some good old garlic. I had COVID, so I had lots of smell, sadly, but I gained my smell back, thankfully. I hate losing my smell and taste because it just sucks, you know. Maybe you had COVID and lost your taste and smell. It just sucks. You know it sucks. Not terrible, but it sucks. Alright guys, so let's see what we got here. So we're gonna just drizzle some olive oil on this. There's some nice olive oil on these nice steaks. These steaks are actually really looking good. Like, I kind of feel bad if this doesn't work out as well as I think it will. I'm scared that it might not cook all the way because these are pretty thick steaks. But, you know, nothing wrong with a nice medium rare steak. You know, there really is nothing wrong with it. I do like my steaks medium rare, so I can't say that it won't be that terrible. At least steak is at least forgiving. All right, so I got the olive oil on it. I'm gonna go get some rags. I got some shop towel rags from AutoZone, and we're gonna get that. All right, I got my shop towel. I just bought oil for my father's car, so they had a deal for not AMSOIL. We're getting AMSOIL. We use AMSOIL, but we had to get Mobil 1 for now because my dad wanted to get a quick oil change because it's a little overdue, and I don't know, he doesn't want to buy the AMSOIL right now. He just wants to get new oil in his car. So so for all reason he made me get this stuff. So we got some shop towels with the buy. So as of February 9th, I don't know how long it's gonna go on for. You can get a free thing of shop towels at AutoZone. So you all know. All right, helping some guy out with some directions. It was kind of strange, but you know, always help out your folks around. Where'd that shop towel go? I thought he was gonna ask me what the hell I'm doing with steak on my car. Surprisingly, he didn't really give a shit what I was doing with steak on my car. I didn't have to explain that. Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video of cooking steak in the engine bay. Yeah, he seemed like a guy who would enjoy that though. right, so we got that. Oh my God, I poured it all over. All right, well, got a little extra garlic on that one. All right, well, that one's gonna be a little garlicky, so that's okay. That's okay, guys. A little garlic doesn't help, only helps the heart. All right. Let's pick this up. All right, that side looks better anyway, so I want to show you guys that side, not the side I poured garlic all over. All right, so guys, there's our steaks. Here's our beautiful looking steaks. Guys, so let's see, let's put this nice piece of steak right here, just like the other one. So one side is gonna get cooked more than the other, of course. I'm not gonna put both here. This is probably a little. All right, so we got one steak there. All right, so let's see if we can, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the steak over here. It's a little too tight. You would say. We're just gonna be putting holes in this thing, which I just put a hole in it. So we're gonna cook one steak at a time. We'll cook that one first, drive around for like 5-10 minutes, and then we'll throw this steak on, cook that for 5-10 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned for cooking. All right, guys, now we're gonna start driving around for like 5-10 minutes. Let's see how these steaks cook, and then we're gonna have a steak dinner this afternoon at 11:30. Oh, it's gonna be 11:30 by now. We're done.
It'll be lunch.
I meant lunch. That's what I actually meant. All right, guys, so I just checked the steak. I had the camera at the wrong angle, so it didn't record right, so I'm not gonna let you guys watch it like that. Steak's still raw, but smells amazing, but she's cooking. So I'm gonna turn the car back on, let it roast there for longer. Maybe I'll probably like cook for like 15 minutes, probably 15-20 minutes. So we'll get back to you guys after I get the second steak back on. But as of right now, it smells amazing. All right, guys, second steak's right there. First steak's right there. She is fully done, cooked. She feels good. She might be a little overdone, but who knows? We'll find out when we open it up and cut it open. But we're putting the second one in now. 20 minutes of driving we're gonna have to do. So I gotta go find something to do for 20 minutes. Oh, this one's a little thicker. This one's going in a little tighter. Oh, buddy, listen, I need you to go in there decently, because we don't want you falling out. We definitely don't want that. All right, guys, so he's in there. He's cooking. Second one is on the grill. Like she says,
I'm studying.
And she's studying her physics for ultrasound technician. But yeah, so so now we're gonna drive around for another 20 minutes and hopefully have the steak cooked perfectly. All right, guys, here it is sizzling. But oh, that's hot. Hot. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna get this thing out. All right, so we got the steak out of the car. As you see, there's no steak there anymore. Oh my God, my phone. That was like a flash, like, yeah, I had a hard time for a second. All right, so we got two steaks. I'm gonna go, this one feels decent. Feels like medium rare. Hopefully it's medium rare, that's the best, that'd be the best one. This one felt a little harder. Right. So I'm gonna put these two together. They're gonna sit right here for now. I'm gonna get some plates, some napkins, and some knives and forks, and we're gonna have some good old steak from a car. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go, let's chat about, this is the first one we made, so let's open it up. This should be yours, should be the most garlicky one, since you wanted the garlicky one. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that steak.
Ooh, I want that one.
I think this is the garlic, the hello garlic on it.
It's fatty.
Let's chop her open.
Is it mine?
Yeah, it's yours. So actually, not here. So I'll let you cut yours.
No, I don't want to cut from the middle, silly.
Okay, well, whatever you want.
Interesting.
Does it look good?
It's fatty. I love that fatty steak.
Mmm. All right, so
Okay, let's try it.
Take it.
No, very good.
Okay. Now let's see what the temperature is. Cut right dead center of that piece right there.
Where? Here?
Of this one right here. Let's see the temperature. Ooh.
It's like
Medium rare. Yeah,
no, it's not
rare,
medium
not rare.
It's definitely medium.
Or medium well. Medium
It's
well.
more medium.
Okay. So I'm gonna let's get my piece and then I'm gonna taste it myself. This one might be a little more rare, but we'll find out in a second. All right, let's chop into this thing. Ooh, ooh. You know, this kind of made like pulled steak almost.
I don't like that one.
I don't like the fat. I don't like the fat. I want.
He doesn't know what real steak is.
I know what real steak is. I don't just not a fat person. I'm just not a fat eater.
Mm.
You can have it. You can have it. Well, yeah, I like that one better actually.
You do?
I like that one better, yeah.
Why?
Because that's more meaty. All right, so let's taste this. Excellent, tender. I got a piece of fat in that one. This one is about, this is about medium rare. What do you think,
That's
Ashley?
more medium rare. That one's more medium.
That's definitely more medium rare. That was medium. So 10 to 15 minutes for medium rare, 20 minutes for medium, and 20 minutes over is well done. So if you guys want to make steak, that's what you guys can do. If you guys want to make it on the go on a good old car trip, throw steak in your engine bay, throw it in on top of your manifold for 10-15 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes or more, depending on how much you want it, rare or not, and you get some nice good old tender steak. And the less fat, if you don't like fat, this will be very good. I mean, if you like fat, you'll really like this steak. So, but other than that, guys, Lexi, would you approve of this? If you are stuck in the middle of nowhere and you had to cook steak, would you cook it on your car?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, you heard it from here from the girlfriend, the picky person. So other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below if you're enjoying these videos. Comment down below what you want to be cooked next and what you want to be seen cooked next. And subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.